Big announcement. My 30,000 Robux giveaway is happening in less than a week, so listen up. And before anything else, here's the video proof. I'm showing the front and the back of the Robux, so you know this giveaway is 100% legit. If you want to enter, it's super easy. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and comment your correct Roblox username, or you won't be entered. Want an extra chance to win? Remix this sound. I don't care if it's your dog, your cat, or even your ceiling fan. It still counts as a bonus entry. When the giveaway drops, it'll be split into 3 separate videos with 10 winners in each. That's 30 winners total. Good luck to everyone, and thank you for the support.